If GOG is giving you error 503, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, so in many cases the problem is not on your device at all. The good news is that there are several simple things you can try to get back into GOG as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, and this is the most common fix, wait a little and try again. A 503 error often happens when GOG servers are overloaded or temporarily down. So before changing anything else, wait about 5 to 15 minutes, then refresh the page or reopen GOG Galaxy and try again. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. Next, check the GOG server status. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com/status/gog-com. This will show you whether other users are reporting the same problem. If you see a spike in reports, that usually means the issue is on GOG side, and the best solution is simply to wait until the service comes back online. If the servers look fine, the next step is to restart GOG Galaxy. Open Task Manager on your PC. Find GOG Galaxy in the list of running apps, right-click it, and choose End Task. This fully closes the launcher instead of just minimizing it. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy and try signing in or loading your library again. A fresh restart can clear temporary glitches that trigger the 503 error. Now let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes make it look like GOG is down when the problem is actually on your network. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router, or switch to another network if possible. If you're on mobile hotspot or public Wi-Fi, test a different connection and see if the error disappears. Sometimes just reconnecting is enough to fix it. Another important fix is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can block or confuse server connections, especially when a service is already under heavy load. Turn off your VPN completely, and if you have a proxy enabled in your system or browser settings, disable that too. Then go back to GOG and try again. This is one of the most overlooked causes of access errors. If the launcher still is not working, try opening GOG in your browser instead. Go to GOG.com directly and sign in there. Sometimes the website works perfectly while the launcher is having a temporary issue. If the browser version loads normally, then you know the problem is likely with GOG Galaxy, rather than your account or internet connection. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for GOG Error 503 are to wait and retry, check the server status, restart GOG Galaxy, test your internet, disable VPN or proxy tools, and try the browser version instead. Most of the time, one of these steps will solve the problem without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy gaming and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.